Performance. Protection. Erlau AG and Roth. Leading the world in chain technology. Wherever you use large earth-moving machines. Mining. Construction. In hot and cold slag. Or in the quarry. Tires are always exposed to extreme conditions. Tire protection chains from Erlau give you more protection, more traction, more safety, more power, more efficiency. The inventors of tire protection chains. Tire protection from the world's #1. Save time. 75% less standstill. Save material. 25% more capacity. Save money. 16% more productivity. Erlau AG and Roth. Wherever in the world you are, the Erlau service is near you. Erlau and Roth. The inventors of tire protection chains. German engineering. We help you to move mountains.
The BBS Tech back alarm. Small noise, big sound, safety all round. Reverse in safety, an aim that's close to every operator's and driver's heart, and one that's synonymous with brigade. With 25 years' experience at the leading edge of reversing alarm technology, Brigade now introduce a unique, revolutionary reversing alarm that will soon make conventional systems obsolete. The unique BBS Tech back alarm makes the job of reversing a vehicle easier and safer. First, it eliminates complaints about intrusive, noisy alarms. How? Simple. In contrast to the usual bleeping sound, the BBS Tech back alarm makes a sound like this. By using broadband sound, the BBS Tech back alarm is easier on the ear, yet just as effective as a conventional alarm, even when 5 decibels quieter than an old-fashioned high-pitched pure tone alarm. And most importantly, because broadband sound dissipates at twice the rate of a pure tone sound, residents living nearby are undisturbed. The way we react to a broadband sound is part of our survival system. Deep inside both human and animal brains is the superior colliculus, which alerts us when it hears certain noises. The noises it reacts to are not narrowband sounds with their tighter frequency range, but broadband sounds, which give away their direction and make our heads turn towards them. Quite literally, you'll only hear the BBS Tech back alarm if you need to. The BBS Tech back alarm is safer too. Because it's localized, sound is directed only into the hazard zone and not everywhere else, which increases people's response to the alarm and diminishes the chance of it being ignored. In a busy working or urban environment, anyone in the danger zone recognizes straight away that the sound is coming directly from the reversing vehicle. There's no confusion, no nuisance, and safety is assured. So next time you specify a reversing alarm, make it a BBS Tech back alarm to cut noise complaints and improve safety. The BBS Tech back alarm. Someday, all reversing alarms will sound like this.
attention to the road.
Please pay attention to the road.
Can I have you put it in forward?
Driving at night is potentially one of the most dangerous things you can do. During the day, you can literally see for miles, while at night, you may not be able to see beyond your headlights. Or worse, you can be blinded by oncoming headlights. The fact is, you have less time to react to road hazards when you rely on your headlights alone, and the problem is much worse at high speeds. FLIR's Pathfinder significantly reduces these hazards by allowing you to see more than 4 times farther than your headlights, and to see in total darkness through dust and smoke and oncoming headlights. The Pathfinder is a compact sealed thermal imaging system that fits easily behind grills and in tight places. Video from the Pathfinder is easily displayed on most factory-installed or aftermarket video monitors. In a fraction of a second, you can gain valuable information, similar to checking your speedometer or glancing at your side view mirror. This revolutionary nighttime driving aid is based on the same high-tech thermal imaging used by the military and has already been embraced by automakers like BMW. Unlike standard video cameras that create images based on visible light, thermal imagers see subtle differences in temperature. Warm objects appear white and cooler objects appear black. And since it detects heat rather than light, the Pathfinder is not affected by oncoming headlights. Most of the common driving hazards show up clearly in thermal imagery, including animals that are naturally camouflaged, pedestrians, or stalled cars. Vehicle headlights provide between 250 and 450 feet of moderate illumination. Pathfinder provides an effective range of over 4 times farther. Why is this important? Because stopping distances depend on 3 things. First is the distance covered between the time your eyes see a hazard and your brain recognizes it. Then your brain must order your foot to react, and then the brakes must stop the vehicle. Even an alert driver with good brakes on dry pavement can easily outrun his headlights at high speeds. And bad weather conditions or poorly maintained brakes can make it difficult to stop at any speed. Pathfinder gives you the extra time to react to hazards beyond your headlights' illumination. While your headlights remain the primary source of illumination, Pathfinder is a supplemental driver's enhancement for anyone who drives at night. As the largest commercial thermal imaging company in the world, FLIR has leveraged years of experience into the development of Pathfinder. The result? A revolutionary nighttime driving aid. You can take confidence in FLIR's thermal imaging systems, just like the U.S. military and thousands of other agencies around the world. FLIR's Pathfinder, making nighttime driving safer.